Open the Feature Class to Feature Class tool. From the Catalog pane, click and drag the city's feature class from the US Data GIA database to the Input Features box on the tool. Leave the output location as the New Jersey Home GIA database. Name the output feature class NJ Cities. Click Add Clause and enter the expression state is equal to NJ. Near the top of the tool, click the Environments tab. Set the Output Coordinate System drop-down to Current Map NJ Data. Leave the other settings alone. Click the Parameters heading to return to the tool parameters. Run the tool. In Contents, open the Layer Properties for the new NJ Cities layer and examine the spatial reference in the source settings.